If you go to shinearmor.com, use my code Chicagoan20, you can get 20% off your order. So definitely go check that out. Go try it out. That is it for today's video. These shades look absolutely amazing. I can't wait for the many road trips with my 98 GMC Safari coming in the future. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, let's get to 2,000 subscribers before the end of 2023. I know we can do it. Yeah, there's more stuff coming with the Safari, a lot of stuff coming with the Mustang. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember, 2,000 subscribers before the end of 2023. I know we can do it. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed. Yeah. There's still a lot of videos coming out every week. So if you're new, stick around. Yeah. Videos that you're probably gonna, wow, I cannot find my words. But what I'm basically trying to say is, they might slow down a little bit because I'm going to be starting school and then balancing school, work, and military. It's a lot of shit. But I will still keep making videos. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really liked it. I really liked the way it came out. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff coming with the cars and motorcycles. The Mustang, there's a lot of stuff coming with the Mustang. Yeah, I'm just very exhausted. It was a long day. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I said already, again. And I will see you guys in the next one. If you go to shinearmor.com, use my code Chicagoan20, you can get 20% off your order. So definitely go check that out. Go try it out.